Victor, I'm not leaving until you speak to me. Open the door.
Well, well, a member of my adoring public. Sorry, no autographs today.
Oh, please, Victor, I want to talk to you.
I know. You've come to sober up the star in time to save the show. They don't make movies like that anymore, for which we're all very grateful.
But they're waiting for you on stage.
Come on, Roz. Haven't you heard I'm a has-been, a failure?
Well, what are you going to do? Just turn away and quit?
Haven't you got that backwards? They quit me. Victor Moncrief, I thought he was dead. Only in show business.
When are you going to stop feeling sorry for yourself?
Probably never. And why does that concern you?
Because you're the first man I ever really loved. And in spite of everything, I probably always will.
Oh, Roz.
Oh, Victor, forget the past. You can't change it, but you can shape the future. I had a dream about you, baby. I had a dream, it's gonna come true. They think that we're through, but baby,